So, are you a writer or a blogger? This video will show you how to actually get paid for writing or actually blogging. So I'd like to thank all my new subscribers, and for those who have been following me for some time, thank you also very much. And please, if you actually like the content that I'm actually putting out, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. So without any further ado, let's get straight into our video for today. So what we're going to be looking at today is called Listverse. So with this platform, what actually happens over here, you actually get to write the top 10, whatever topic that you have. You will write maybe top 10 technologies, or top 10 ways how to make money, or top 10 things that are going to happen in the future. So you actually write all these things down and you're actually going to submit them here on this platform, and by you doing this you actually get paid. So these are some examples of some people, the list that some people have submitted here. 10 times alcohol saved lives. 10 shocking discoveries were uncovered from analyzing ancient DNAs. 10 unfortunate deaths caused by foods. So basically what you're going to be doing here is putting up a list of the top 10 things of a topic that you're going to come up with, and then you're going to bring it to this platform. But there are also requirements towards whatever top 10 list that you're going to be writing. So let's just look at the requirements of the list. Okay, so you get paid $100 when you submit a list. Okay, do you want to earn money online? Listverse was built on the efforts of readers just like you, readers who didn't have any experience as writers but decided to put a list together and send it. So you do not have to have any experience in doing this, but you just putting up a topic of the top 10 list of the top 10 topics that you want and actually submitting it to this platform. You actually get paid for that. But it needs to be of value. It needs to be something that people actually look at and actually read and actually relate to. So there are certain requirements for them to actually accept it, because you only get paid once they have reviewed it and they actually accepted it. So as you can see over here, the rules are really pretty simple. As long as your list, and we do not mean yours, do not steal others people's stuff, is one or two paragraph per items. You can choose any topic you like. These are the rules. It's just straightforward and simple. You do not have to be a professional writer, as long as you know what you're writing about, and as long as it's relevant to the topic that you have chosen. It needs to be a top 10. It needs to be all relevant together. So you do not have to actually post any pictures or videos. It just needs to be words of at least 2 paragraphs per item, or should I say per list. The first one should be 2 paragraphs, the second one should be 2 paragraphs or more, so forth and so forth and so forth. And then from there you actually submit, and then from there you actually get paid. So let's just go here. Okay, list must be your own work, must include 10 items. List should be roughly 1,800 words, including introduction. Include quality online source, not Wikipedia or edited content that verify facts for each items or on your list. Format the source according to section 7 of the Arbiter's Guide link above. Okay, do not forget to read the entire author guide before submitting. So these are all some of the rules and regulations that you actually need to follow for you to actually start submitting any works on this platform. But once you actually read these rules and you actually understand them, then it's just straightforward and simple. Then you can go out and actually start seeing what's relevant and what actually people are looking into. Mostly you should go for something that's actually trending. If you go for something that actually is trending, there's a more guarantee that they actually accept it on this platform and actually submit it. So the way that they actually make money on this platform is they actually gather all these top 10 lists, and once they have gathered it all together, then they actually take it and actually sell it on Amazon or eBay as a book. So they put all the lists together and actually create a book. So as you can see, they have so many topics. They have topics on entertainment, on gaming, movies and TV, music, pop culture, there are so many topics that you can actually go out here and choose: lifestyle, science, society, and so many. So you actually have a whole lot of variety of options that you can actually write on, depending what type of writer you are. So you actually have a good option of actually making money out of your skills of writing. So if you're a book writer, write a book on a on whatever top 10 list that you wanna, on the top 10 topics that you actually want to write on, and then from there actually go on this platform and actually submit it. And then once they have reviewed it, you'll actually make $100 just like that. You need no money to sign up. It's free to sign up, and once you have signed up, and then from there you can go on and actually start submitting whatever top 10 list or top 10 topics that you actually want to submit. And also, you need to also have a PayPal account, because they do not accept writers who do not have a PayPal account. So the only way that you'll actually get paid is via PayPal. So a PayPal account is a must have for you to actually get paid. Please don't forget to comment, and to all the people that haven't seen my other content, please check out my other videos from me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video.
Yes, sebenza, man, now sebenza.